योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैदिकेने योगो करोदं प्रवरं मुनिनां पदञ्जलि प्राज्ञलिन् रणतोऽस्मि प्राणे सेद्यवशे जगत् इति वेय प्रतिष्ठितं मातेन पुत्रेण रक्षोत्वा श्रीच्च प्रज्ञच्च विदेहि नदिहा ओम शांति शांति शांती.
नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. 21 जून हो दीस संवसारीक योग दीस म्हणून मनयतात. 2014 जेन्ना आमचे मानादीत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जनरल असेंब्लीन युनायटेड नेशन्साच्या जनरल असेंब्लीन गेल्ले तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी योगाचे महत्व सांगलेले आणि तेन्नाच योग दीस साजरो करचो अशी सुचोवणी दिल्ली. दुसऱ्या वर्सा म्हणजे 2015 21 जून हो दीस संवसारीक योग दीस हो मनोवपाक स्टार्ट जालो. ह्या दिसाचे महत्व आणि जाणून घेवपा खातीर आमच्या वांगडा आयज आसा सुरेश नायर सर. ते स्वता एक योगा टीचर आसा आणि खूबशे असे योगासनाचे आसना आणि प्राणायाम ते करतात. Sir, welcome to our show. Sir, first you started with the mantra. What is the meaning of the mantra?
Yogena chittasya padena vaja means your body is in purity, your mind is in purity. We want the purity from our guru's side, the blessing. That is first for the prarthana. Then prane sedya vashe jagat idive. What is the life? Life is a blessing. Second, life is an oxygen. Third is appear and disappear. This appear and disappear in between, we will get 75, 85, 100 years. That is a more important. What the yoga is your dinacharya, day to day life. Every day you are eating, then every day you do the yoga. Means the yoga is updating. Updating is more important. Who is your controller? Controlling is 630 muscle is controlling your system. The Indian philosophy, why all the world is looking India. India is 239 countries in the world and 2,465 language is speaking. But all the foreign countries is looking India. Why? India is a culture. Means India is the oldest country and India is the youngest country. Now the Western countries, they stop for the Zumba, aerobics, all the modern exercise, they stop. They're looking for the India. Means yoga is our culture. Today is a culture, tomorrow is the behavior. And behavior is an experience. Then everyone, 630 muscle is controlling your system, 72 times your heartbeat. One day you are taking inhale, exhale is 23,082 times. Means now the modern medical science also looking yoga only. Because in Goa, my opinion, all the youngsters and any age level also, they start from the yoga every day. You can save your life, you can save your time, you can save your money. Up to 75, 80 also, you don't depend any doctors, you don't depend any hospitals. Because all the disease, pressure, sugar, cholesterol, cancer, more than 85 type of cancer is there. This all the cancer is connected with the lack of physical activities. You run, you jump, you play football, you are wasting your energy. Yoga is a save the energy. How to save the energy? Yoga is a deposit. Because India is our mother. See, you do any sports. We are telling athletics is a mother of sports. But my definition, yoga is a grandmother of sports. You do football also, but you want the good flexibility and balancing. Secondly, controlling your emotional mind. See, we will tell the meditation is a 22 minutes and suicide is a 22 seconds. Anyone, we have the lot of mind is there. Conscious mind, subconscious mind, unconscious mind, superconscious mind, lower mind, higher mind, social mind, enemy mind, emotional mind, immaturity mind. Finally, what is the ultimate mind? Mind is a monkey. You can't control the minds, but you can control the thought also, but you can divert the thoughts. That diverting meditation. What is the meaning of meditation? Dhyanam nirvishyamana iti shastra. Meditation time, we are not concentrating anything. Concentration is a dharana in yoga. In my opinion, in one yoga guru, otherwise one yoga teacher, not easy. Because the ultimate yoga is a spirituality. We are telling the students mentality, physicality, flexibility and balancing and spirituality. What is a spirituality? Ultimate silence. The Indian philosophy, good body goes to good mind is good thought is a good action is a good result, and result is reward. My humble request, how long you are leaving this world, nobody is not bothered. How you live, how long you are working your office, nobody is not bothered. How you work. See, smart work is out of fashion, effectiveness out of fashion, then hard work is out of fashion. What result you made? The result is important. Last breath also, I want to healthy life. Because tomorrow you are buying 4 house, 5 car, tomorrow somebody is using. But in Bhagavad Gita telling one sloga is there. Uddharet atman atmana na atmanam avasavade atmaiva bandhuhu atmaiva riburatnava. Means you must eliminate yourself. You must eliminate your skill. You must eliminate your knowledge, desire, knowledge and skill. Our Shankaracharya Guru is specifically saying, Mata nasti, Pida nasti, Bandhu nasti, Grahan nasti, Artham nasti, Tasma Jagrada. What is the meaning of Jagrada? We are not permanent. That is a permanent. I told that life is a appear and disappear. In between, date of birth and date of death, and B and D in between, C. C for choose and choice. You choose yoga. Life, your choosing is more important. See, the green wire, red wire is there. The green wire connected with the red wire, it will blast. Then you think about, you choose the good things, because yoga is a lifelong. Last breath also you must do, because the yoga is not only the postures. Yam, Neem, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Yoga is a 5,000 years back product. You want the concrete of Sanskrit knowledge, because the yoga is a spiritual. Because our culture, updating is more important. Information go to knowledge, and knowledge is the wisdom, and wisdom is experience. Yoga is our mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. M for motivation, O for only one, T for true love, H for heartiness, E for extensional, R for responsible. Because yoga, if you do yoga, no, you are a nice person. We are saying the 10 keys in yoga. What is the first key? I. What is a valuable 2 key? We. What is a dangerous 3 key? Ego. What is a valuable 4 key? Love. What is a valuable 5 key? Smile. What is a valuable 6 key? Symbol. 7 key? Success. What is a dangerous 8 key? Jealousy. What is a valuable 9 key? Principle. What is a valuable 10 key? Confident. Where is God? You are a self-confidence person. You are a peaceful person. You are a peaceful person. You are a meaningful person. You are a meaningful person. You are a honesty person. Then where is God? You are a confident. That side is God. My humble request, all the above 5 to 6 years, 7 years, the newborn baby also after 3 months he is doing for the Bhujangasana. Means yoga is our culture. That is a more importance. If you teach yoga your kids, any kids also, 10 minutes sitting in the floor, that is a 10% yoga. He do some 2 minute meditation, he is not going to the other negative side, because the yoga culture is pulling back. See, we are in yoga, we are telling WATCH, watch. W for words, A for action, T for thought, C for character, H for honesty. You are a nice person. Means we want to the many people colorless life, orderless life, tasteless life, meaningless life. We want colorful life, meaningful life, and beautiful life. Many person, they are not thinking about the body. Myself, my family, my society, my nation. My humble request in latest in Kelo India also, Sports Authority of Goa, we got a artistic yoga and rhythmic yoga. Our small kids did for the got the medals. Government of Goa, our CM, especially our Prime Minister, they are promoting yoga, because your health is a big coin. Your money is a small coin. Your relation is a sweet coin. Your love is a lucky coin. Which coin you can miss it? Healthy. Health is more, health is wealth, and peace of mind is happiness. The yoga is giving health and peace and happiness. You must think about my nation, my country, my neighbors, my well-wishers, my colleagues, my office. You must do for the honesty, because the yoga is covering all the side. The Indian philosophy is like that only. Ananya chindayando mam hejana pariyupasade teshva nityabhiyuktanam yogatshemam mahamigam. Morning to evening, we have the different thoughts. Different. But you must think about yourself. Then you are a nice person. You can ultimate you can enjoy in your life. Means the health is more important. You are running, you are jumping, then on certain level you are going to injury. But yoga is giving all the mentality, physicality, flexibility, balancing, and spirituality. Spirituality means silence. Trinanabi sunejena sarovari sagishnada amanina mananeya kirtaniya sadahari. Means 100 people is appreciating, 25 people is criticizing. I am not bothered about these all things. I am sitting always with God. See, people is telling yoga acharya. Yoga acharya is not a small word. Who is the acharyan? Patanjali is the acharyan. Shankaracharya is the acharyan. Acharyo Veda Sambanno Vishnu Bhakto Bhimalsara Mandra Chatada Mandra Artha Sudigi Purana Visheshada Idi Acharade Acharya.
Okay. We have seen so many videos of you doing a yoga, difficult asanas and all. So, from when you started doing yoga?
I started in my yoga in my 15 years. When I am in the 10th standard time, I started yoga. That time yoga not that much of popularity. Because now the government institution is there, government college is there. They started for the yoga, BPEd, yoga courses. So many courses they started. I learned in the Gurukula Sampradaya. I stayed to more than 15 years in on ashramam, then Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kanyakumari, Kerala, different centers. I went. I meet so many our gurus. Then I learned from the guru's side, because yoga is a spiritual. You must learn for the Bhagavad Gita. You must learn for the philosophy. You must learn the Upanishad. You must learn the Veda mantras. This all connected with the yoga only. Because yoga is not only the posters. See the posters, some gymnastics people, some UFR, they are doing for the posters is very perfect, but they doesn't know yoga. Yoga, this is a 180, and the behind 180 is there. 360 angle is there. The vision is like that only. Yoga is not easy. Yoga, you whenever you do the sports, you are 6 o'clock, you get up, you are going. Yoga is not like that. You get up the 3:30, Brahma Muhurtam. And every single thought is affecting your body. See, stress, 189 psychosomatic disease connected with the stress only. Because we can't control our stress, but we can divert the stress. That is meditation, pranayam, dhyan, so many things is there. You must learn. You can give to your family. Family, not save the money. You can give the good health. Means tell them your child do some asanas, some pranayam, some meditation that you do know. You are opening in your child yoga gates. But they are not the childhood level, they are not much serious. They are like the posters. But gradually they knows. We are a lucky people, because only the yoga is the Indian products. Our rishis made, our gurus made. We thank every breath also we must pray for our gurus, because they made for the own good culture.
So this year the theme is yoga for humanity. So what do you have to say on that?
This year my message is, yesterday is, past is the waste paper, present is a newspaper, future is a question paper. You are not using, the person not using life properly, life go to tissue paper. Past is over, yesterday is not finished, tomorrow not yet, only that today. You take, today is the decision, making healthy resolution. I want the good body. Today will I start for the yoga. I do the other activities, but 45 minutes you think about your body. 45 minutes you do the pranayam, dharana, asanas, kriyas, so many steps is there. So you must learn from the yoga the proper in front of sitting guru. Don't learn in front of TV. TV is not your teacher. TV is not a guru. TV is not correcting. Because the pranayam also, kumbhagam, puragam, bahya kumbhagam, andariya kumbhagam, andariya rejagam, so many things is there. If you are not following, then only follow exercise. You must systematically, whatever you do, scientifically, logically and rationally. That is more important.
What are the precautions a person should take if a person has taken a break from a yoga?
See, my personal opinion, what is the meaning of exercise? Exercise is a lifelong process. Anybody can tell. That is easy. Updating. Because every day you are eating, then every day you do exercise. Because the 24 hours we have, 1 hour think about your body, remaining 23 hours you can enjoy the life. That 1 hour is more important. Our time, we are given to so many other activities. But the yoga doing in the early morning is the best time, because the sunrise time. The vitamin D, all the getting in the nature only. The Western philosophy, they are saying, world is very good university, nature is a teacher. Then we are learning from that nature only. Then morning time is the best time for the yoga. Then in case after the sunset also, evening also up to 8 o'clock, then Secondly, the yoga is the culture. What you eat, what don't eat, that also more important. See the animals. Animals after the sunset, they are not eating anything. Animals eating only one time only. See, all the violent animals, tiger is violent animal. Lion is a violent animal. The violent animal teeth is sharp. Same time the God gift for our teeth is cow teeth. Because we want the silence, the peaceful life. Then your diet also very important. After the sunset, in Goa, Goan night is a Goan day. All the party will starting in the 9:30, 10:30, 11 o'clock up to 12 o'clock also. My humble request, you must eat before 7:30. Then you try to 1 month, 2 months, the result you will get. After midnight, don't eat anything because the body will it will reacting. You are not a controller, your muscle is a controller. Then muscle will reaction is there.
Okay. So there are different levels we see in yoga. So what levels you teach?
See, in India, so many type of yoga is there. Ashtanga yoga, Hatha yoga, Laya yoga, Mantra yoga, Bhakti yoga. These all the different type of Raja yoga, different type of yoga is there. Hatha yoga is connected with the physical. Raja yoga is connected with they are doing only for the meditation. See, meditation, I am also promoting the meditation, it is your personal. Meditation is not controlling your muscles. Because we are a common people. Because we have the business, money management, transaction, everything, the lot of stress is there. More than 3 hours, 4 hours we can meditate. We can meditate in 22, maximum half an hour. But the muscle controlling is, Hatha yoga is the best because the postures. The postures is a more important. Yam means non-violence. Yoga person, he can't kill one mosquito also. That is an offense. Neem means rules and regulations. Asanas is the postures. Pranayama is controlling your breath. And dharana is a concentration. Dhyan, meditation and samadhi. That is the ultimate stage. But basically, you must promote your family. Many people, I'll go to many house, they are putting the sticker in the house. Mahalakshmi blessed house. God blessed the house. But who is spoiling inside? I told my many students, remove that sticker. Put it the new sticker. My character, my behavior is making peace my home. That is you will get only for the yoga. Because you can control your emotional, you can control your angry, you are an amazing personality. Because the man value is very important. The man thinking negative, that is a zero. The man thinking negative to positive, the great. The man thinking positive to positive, that is marvelous. We want the marvelous thoughts, marvelous directions, marvelous life. Finally, we want a peaceful life. You can't buy anything in the world. You 5 car, 5 bungalow, 5 good food, but you can't buy your health. I want to 500 rupees, I can ask someone. How to ask my health? That is yourself. You are okay, you can make it many okays. Physically also, financially also, all side knowledge also. But you are not okay, then how to make okay others? That is a more important. My opinion, in Goa, 98% youth is unfit. Because only the 2% people children is doing for the sports activities. Only the 2%. You go to some grounds, some people playing for the time pass football. Nobody is not making the sports seriously. Because the sports, now the government of India, they did connected with the yoga in the sports side. What is the SPORTS, sports? S for smartness, P for purity, O for observation, R for regularity, T for thoughtful, and S for sincerity. Purity, where you will get the athlete or footballer, they will do the meditation, they will do for the asanas, then the body will purify and he will get for the good purity and body and mind. 100% all the sports, guys, any event, you must do half an hour practice for the yoga. Because what is a perfection? Only the 3 seconds. One is a yoga, second is a practice, third is practice. Practice, practice, practice. That is a successful life. We want a successful life.
Okay. Which are the asanas or the pranayams you suggest for the students?
See, pranayam, breathing exercise different. Pranayam is different. Pranayam, you want a compulsory one postures. Means you want a Vajrasan, Padmasan. They can't do like that, then we go to the Sukhasana. See, the pranayam is ultimate in the neuro system. For example, this is a Chin Mudra position. Anyone deep breathe, they will do the deep inhale and exhale. Same time, you go to the next mudra, Chinmay Mudra, you press, the breathing is a short breath. You can't breathe long breath. Because this is a psycho-neuro-linguistic effects. Every mudras is affecting your nerve system. All the mudras, different mudras is there. Chin Mudra, Chinmay Mudra, Varna Mudra, Vayu Mudra, Linga Mudra, so many mudras is there. That is a higher level stage. That is secondary.
So, where do you teach yoga?
Last 21 years, I'm in Goa. That is, I visited so many schools and college. Then I teach for the more than 10 years. I work for the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, mostly sports personalities. Then the senior citizen. Then I visited for the bank employees. And 2 years I teach for the Goa Police and the Fire Service and Salgokar Law College and higher level for the army people and the NIT, Ponda for the different subject for the stress management, value of life, Indian spirituality. This subject also my favorite subject. Then the small centers I'm going for the, especially mostly I'm concentrating in the youth only, because the youth they can change India, but the India is changing now. India is looking at the youth only, because the college and schools and above 40, 45, 50 people, we give the motivation talk. That implementation is very difficult, but the youth, they will get some information, they will implementing their day-to-day life. I visited more than 100 college and several government offices and high-level personalities also. Then so many IAS, IPS, that people also.
What is your message to the youth or the people who are watching this episode on the International Yoga Day?
My message is, make it healthy resolution. 2000, today you take the decision. I started today's yoga. 6 months, at least 1 year you practice yoga. Then afterwards see your result. See, everyone, I am smart. What is the smart? S-M-A-R-T. What is the S? S for Pacific, M for measurable, A for achievement, R for result, and T for time bond. Within time bond, you make it smart. The life, you can't put reverse gear. One year, you can't put the reverse gear. But today you start. Present is good and future also good. But the present health is not good, the future health is very difficult. Now, ultimately, we got a lot of, government of Goa is giving lot of promotion. Ayush department, our minister Sripad Naik sir also, a lot of promoting yoga in. But many centers we have. Today you start for any event, any sports. But you add it, addition, deletion, modification and correction. You added yoga, your day-to-day life, sports also.
So you give so much information on yoga. So it was very pleasure to have you on.
Information is a very important, because the information goes to knowledge. Knowledge is the wisdom and wisdom is experience. The information, the many people, they are not getting the proper guidance. Suppose some people, they are not asking the suggestion also. See, suggestion from others, decision from yours. The person, they are not asking the suggestion. We have our gurus, our system is good actually. But my vision, no, in the Goan citizen is a fantastic people. But sometimes our system is not work out properly. The system is failure, then implementation is failure. Then now the yoga, government of Goa promoting the system is very good. Now the International Yoga Day, all over Goa, they are every village also, they are starting for the yoga. But one thing, we want the qualified means not in the 25 days certificate course. At least 5 to 6 years, they want a good experience is required. Preparation for living, that is not a life, experience is the life. We want a wonderful experience in yoga side is required. Not yoga, now the yoga is a competition event, because competition event only for the asanas, not a yoga competition. We never say yoga competition. We are saying asanas competition. Yoga asanas competition. That is a different postures, rhythmic yoga, artistic yoga, that up to the under 14, under 19, that level. After now the maturity, after 25, 30, 35, 40 people, they will go to the basic yoga. Because yoga is a basement. The basement is strong, you can build up anything in top. The basement will weak, everything will collapse. Yoga is a fundament, yoga is a basement. You make it strong.
Thank you, sir, for speaking to us and giving information on me.
Yes, thanks very well. Then, and thanks to the Prudent TV also, give the good opportunity. Then, Uddharet Atmanatmana Na Atmanam Abasavade Atmaiva Benduhu Atmaiva Ribiratnava Ayirarogya Sambal Samardi Aishyaryadi Bhavadu Uttaro Uttaro.